Hello dear fans. How to calculate the area of a shape bounded by a parabola. It is also known from the school course that in order to find the areas of figures on the coordinate plane, knowledge of such a concept as an integral is necessary. To use it in order to determine the areas of curvilinear trapezoids, this is exactly what these figures are called. It is enough to know certain algorithms. Instructions. Step 1. To calculate the area of a shape bounded by a parabola, draw it in a Cartesian coordinate system. To depict a parabola, you should know at least 3 points. One should be a vertex. To find the x-coordinate of a vertex, plug the known data into the formula x equals b/2a, and along the y-axis, plug the resulting argument value into the function. After that, analyze the graph data included in the problem condition. If the vertex is below the x-axis, then the branches will be directed upwards, if higher, downwards. The remaining 2 points are the coordinates of the intersection with the OX-axis. Shade the resulting shape. This will greatly facilitate the solution of this task. Step 2. Then determine the limits of integration. Usually they are specified in the problem statement using the variables a and b. Place these values at the top and bottom of the integral symbol, respectively. After the integral symbol, write the general value of the function and multiply it by dx, for example, x superscript 2, dx in the case of a parabola. Then calculate the antiderivative of the function value in general form, using the special table on the link given in the Additional Sources section, then substitute the limits of integration there and find the difference. The resulting difference will be the area. Step 3. It is also possible to calculate the integral and programmatically. To do this, follow the link in the Additional Sources section to a special mathematical site. In the text box that opens, enter integral of f(x), where f(x) is a record of the function whose graph limits the area of the figure on the coordinate plane. After entering, click on the button in the form of the symbol equal. The page that opens will display the resulting figure, and also show the progress of calculating its area. Thanks for watching.